Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can download videos in Safari on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments after watching the video, and let's get started. So we're going to open up Safari. And we're going to need to find a site where we can upload videos. I'll show you an example of a site called www.pixabay.com. You'll need to type it into the search box, and then you'll be taken to that site. And here you will be able to upload photos, illustrations, music, and so on. And there is a video section here. When you go to it, you will see there's a variety of videos here. And if you want to download, let's say, any of the videos, you click on it. At the top, you'll have the word download. You click on it. And then you will see this window with a choice of quality and format that you want to download. You can choose less or more quality of this video. I will probably choose the quality that is already there by default. Next, we click Download, pause. After that, the site asks us once again if we really want to download this video. We confirm our action. And here, as you could see, we had such a fast download process. That is, when you click Download, at the bottom of the search box, you will have this circle around the arrow. Once it closes, the arrow will turn blue. This will mean that the video has already been downloaded. But it's not in your phone's gallery yet. For it to be in the gallery of your phone, you will need to click on this arrow. Next, once again, we select the download function. Next, you and I find the video that we just downloaded and we click on it. And down here at the bottom, we select Share. And then we scroll down and we find Save Video. After that, you'll already have the video in your phone's gallery. So if we open up the gallery, we can see the video that we just downloaded from pixabay.com. This is how you can download videos to Safari on your iPhone. I hope this video was useful for you, helped you out. Please subscribe to our channel. Also, be sure to rate and write your comments. And see you soon, friends.